If you're into NFTs, you've probably heard of ERC-6551 or token-bound accounts recently, but have you ever gotten to try it out and maybe even create a wallet for your NFT? Hi, my name's Steve and I'm with Pinata, and today I'm going to show you how you can use a new website by Pinata called pinatabound.com. Let's go check it out. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go over to pinatabound.com. And this is what the website looks like. It's very fun. You just click on this button, it's going to let you connect your wallet. Now I'm just connect using MetaMask, but there's others to choose from. And you just go ahead and select the wallet that you want to use. And by default, it is going to connect you to Ethereum mainnet. Right now we support Ethereum mainnet and Goerli testnet. So if you don't have any NFTs on mainnet or vice versa, you can click on this button in the top right, click the drop down here and switch to Goerli. And that's going to switch your network for you. And as you can see here, I have lots of different NFTs, all the NFTs in your wallet, and you can take a look at them. And what's pretty cool about this is you can click on them and you can see if it has a token bound wallet or not. So for instance, this one has a wallet but just doesn't have any NFTs. So if I wanted to, I could copy this address, go to like OpenSea, and I could transfer some NFTs to this wallet, and then this NFT would own some wallet. So what that looks like is something like this one, where it has an address and I have sent it some NFTs, and you can see them right here. Now, if you have an NFT that doesn't have a wallet yet, we have the ability where you can create that. So if you click on it, you can click on the Create Account button, and it is going to cost a little bit of gas. And you just hit Confirm, and it's going to go ahead and create a token-bound wallet for this NFT. And there we go. The wallet's created, and we have it right here, so we can just go ahead and copy that address, and let's just go ahead and send it an NFT through OpenSea. All right, so I have this fun little ghost NFT. I'm going to go ahead and send it to my penny NFT. So just going to hit Transfer. I'm going to paste in that address I had earlier and hit Transfer. All right, so our transfer is complete. Let's go take a look back at pinatabound.com. All right, so I'm back in my NFT grid here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this penny, and there we go. There's little ghost. Well, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts, comments, or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And until next time, have a good one.